Good morning, everybody. I'm just getting myself together to go on a little sightseeing tour of Fort Wayne, Indiana, which is the second largest city in Indiana after Indianapolis. And the reason I'm going down there is because Fort Wayne got it going on down there. They got, you know, lots and lots of development down there that I want to take a look at. They just opened up a new hotel down there called Hampton. I want to take a look and see what that looks like. And they just opened up a new park by their riverside called Prominent Park. And hopefully have a chance to go see what that looks like. But Fort Wayne got it going on down there, and go down there every year just to take a look around and do a little, like I said, do a little sightseeing tour. It's like I do South Bend. South Bend's a nice place too, and I don't live too far from South Bend. That's why I go down there, more than I do Fort Wayne. But I'm gonna take you all a little sightseeing tour downtown Fort Wayne and some of the other places, and I hope you enjoy. And here we go. Here I am at the Grand Wayne Center. Hilton up there. And you can see it's connected to the Grand Wayne Center. I'm going to go over there in just a few minutes. Down the street, and there's a firefighters museum. Come around here. See that tall building right there? It's the tallest building in Fort Wayne, the Indiana Mission Power Center. Tall building, ain't it? Yeah. Here's one of the murals right here. They look good. Yeah, I like this. Here, back to the Grand Wayne Center. Better get back to my car before a cop come give me a citation. This is the Hampton. They just opened this one up. Nice place. This is Parkview Field, the one that started it all.